Hello students, this is one of the very important question using the square of binomial. The given data x plus 1 by x equal to 6, x plus 1 by x equal to 6. Find x square plus 1 by x square and x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. We will discuss x cube plus 1 by x cube in cube of binomial, that is new another concept. The first case, x plus 1 by x squaring on both sides whole square equal to 6 square, correct. To expand this, so what is a plus b the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So if you apply this case, x square 1 by x square plus twice of x into 1 by x equal to 36. So here these two gets cancelled, which implies x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 equal to 36, x square plus x square plus 1 by x square equal to 36 minus 2 equal to 34. Clear? So 34, x square plus 1 by x square equal to 34. Similarly, find the value of x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. That x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 completely depends on this x square plus 1 by x square. I will explain how. This is 1 from 1. X square plus 1 by x square equal to 34. Okay, 34. Now squaring on both sides, x square plus 1 by x square the whole square equal to 34 square. Again apply the same formula. So this is reduced form, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 twice of x square 1 by x square equal to 34 square. 34 into 34. 4 4s are 16, 1, 13, and this is 3 4s are 12, 1 and 10. So 6 5 1 1 1 1 5 6 1 1 5 6. So these two gets cancelled. So x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 equal to 1156 minus 2, because only 2 is there. If we transpose to that side, which is equal to 1154. Suppose in exam, if this is a direct question, you can't directly find this value. For that, first find the value of x square plus 1 by x square using the given data. Okay, that fourth power always depends on second power and second power depends on the first power. Okay, so from first power to second power, from second power to fourth power. So these two are the standard required expressions in section C or section D questions. Practice similar types of sum with different values. You will get full mark in section D. Thank you.